Is your MS Access database slowing your business down? In this case study, I'll show you how we helped a client turn a crashing system into a reliable tool without rebuilding everything from scratch. Hi, I'm Farber from the Farber Consulting Group Inc. For more than 30 years, we've been helping businesses optimize databases from MS Access to SQL Server and beyond. The challenge: a manufacturing company used MS Access for inventory and operations, but as their data grew, the system became unstable. Reports took over 20 minutes, frequent crashes and corruption. More than 10 users caused constant lockouts. Our approach: we stepped in with a targeted plan, split the database into a front end and back end for stability, migrated heavy tables into SQL Server while keeping Access as the interface, rewrote queries to run efficiently on SQL Server, set up automated backups and maintenance. The results: in under 2 weeks, reports ran in under 1 minute. The system supported 50+ users without issues. Crashes dropped from weekly to 0 in 6 months. Takeaway: MS Access doesn't have to be replaced to perform well. With the right upgrades and tuning, you can extend its life and boost performance. If your MS Access system is slowing you down, visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765 and subscribe for more real-world database success stories.